Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial on PowerPoint I want to talk to you about the slide master. So over here I just have 3 slides. Sometimes when you're working in a presentation you might want to save this so that it looks a little bit different than what we have right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and click on Review, and I want you to observe that there's an option here called Slide Master. I'm going to click on that. If I scroll all the way up to the top, this is the slide master right here. So let me show you what happens, and I'm going to do some pretty hideous things. I'm going to select this text, and I'm going to change the look of this to something very different. Let me go down and do something really thick like that. I'm also going to make it a lot bigger. Okay. I'm also going to make it a color that really jumps out. I'm going to do a reddish color. And also, just to go a step further, I'm going to put orange or some kind of background to it like that. So now what I want you to observe, as I did that, all this information over here got updated the exact same way. Now I'm not saying I like that, but I'm just doing this to show you what I can do with this. If I want to change the bullets, I can come in here, and again I can change the size of the bullets, so I make everything consistent. So anything I change on the slide master is going to impact all the slides in my presentation. If I look at some of the different styles of slides over here, I can change the distinct styles of slides so that they work a little bit differently. So for example, maybe in this one, this particular slide, I don't want to put on the background. So I'm going to click on Home, and at this point I'm going to take off and I'm going to say No Color. And what you'll see, it impacted just this one particular style of slide. So Slide Master is one of those things that I think you got to go in and take a look at, work with, and also as you come back to the view area and you see the Slide Master, if I click on it, I'm going to take it off. When I'm in the Slide Master and I click on that again, I can come back in and edit it as I see fit. There's a Handout Master, and there's also a Note Master when you get there. You can also close it this way, so you can change different parts and different aspects of your, in essence, template as you see fit. It's one of those things you got to go in and mess around with a little bit, but you can have some master control over your entire presentation based on one slide. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. My name is Tony Holowitz. You have a great day. Bye now.